Asking for a friend. Gusto niya na yan. Asking for a friend. Kasi ngayon, I think, ano pa rin sa
That was a very comprehensive discussion. So, Jacob Lanet, please come up on stage again.
It was research and development for all the mistakes that I can do. Magkamali na po ako sa cosplay shoot. Wag lang sa ano. Wag lang sa actual commercials.
R5 Mark II, and I have an R8. Yun, yung pang location hunt ko, at saka yung mga mabibilis sa shoot out there that's very handy, R8 spent 25,000 pesos on the wings that they never got to use. Sa akin, sweet spot na rin. I want that. To her point, there's a long process out of this. It's just a put in. And ako, for example, one of the challenges na, kasi sa photography na instant gratification, when you take the photo as it is, when I started in film, I've stayed already. Thank you, Marcel. Thank you. Now,